Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one kind of funny little story happening in tech and with Microsoft is you might have seen in the comments of this channel a keyword that is Microslop. And this has taken over the internet pretty much by storm now. And now it's made worse because Microsoft has decided to ban Microslop from its Discord servers where they own their own groups. Uh, it seems that Microsoft is kind of tired of being called Microslop. And this, of course, has all started with Copilot. At first, Copilot was, okay, people were curious, and then everything started turning sour. And all of that created this new keyword. And Microsoft apparently is really, really tired of it. So it's kind of funny, when something like that happens, it's like a child. When a child does something, of course, if you tell the child you shouldn't be doing it, there's a chance that it might be doing it more. And this is where I find it funny that Microsoft just decided to do that because now apparently the keyword is like taking over the internet by storm. So, yeah, I guess a lot of the comments will continue, if not more of the comments will continue. And the different videos that I post with the keyword Microslop. God. And you know what? It's sad to say, but we say it all the time how Microsoft can't commit and decides to do things that, people don't want. And instead of fixing things, working hard on, AI, maybe the reason that is happening is because you should be working more on fixing the things that people want fixed. God, that's Microsoft for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.